Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to show you how to create text portraits. This is actually a very fun technique that will lend itself well to a lot of creativity. Let's go ahead and jump into our photo editing software.
Alright, so this is the image that we're going to use for our text portrait. Now, first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and create a new layer. And we're going to go ahead and select our text tool. And just create a text box that is roughly the size of the whole image. Now from here we're going to go ahead and paste our text onto the photo. Now what we're going to do, right above the background, we're going to go ahead and add a new layer, and we're going to go ahead and fill that layer with black. Let's go ahead and hide the black layer for right now, and we're going to go ahead and select our background and go ahead and select all, and then edit, copy. So now here we're going to go ahead to our text layer and create a layer mask. Now we're going to go ahead and option click the text layer, and that's going to take us into our mask. And we're going to go ahead and paste our image onto our mask. So now what this is actually going to do is not the actual image, this is actually the mask here. So as you can see, our image now is our original background image still covered in the text. But what happens when we go ahead and put the color fill layer and make it visible again, it's actually going to make our text portrait.
And that's how you create text portraits. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.